How does one teach a machine to do the right thing? Not just to act, but to choose rightly, as if it had a soul to consult. For years, we showed it mirrors, thousands of human choices suggesting, be like this. It learned from our preferences, our petty biases, our hopes etched in data. But what if that path is too narrow, too slow, too costly to repeat? What if, instead of learning from our choices, the machine could learn from our human values? This is the promise of constitutional AI. Here the machine is taught not by mimicry but by principles, those quiet axioms we live by. Do not harm. Honor dignity. Speak without cruelty. And yet even this noble path begs questions. Which principles guide best? That is why we have proposed C3AI, a framework that unfolds in 5 steps. First, it gathers our shared values from psychology and from ethics, a forest of norms and ideals. Second, it carves these values into principles, clear, computable instructions, minimize harm, favor truth. Third, it forms a constitution, a charter of principles optimized through psychometrics. Fourth, it trains a large language model to act as a judge. Faced with options, it is trained to select the one that best echoes the Constitution. Fifth, it tests the judge LLM. Can it effectively identify whether another LLM speaks with reason or whether the other LLM remains kind? The result: the C3AI Constitution, working only on 15 principles, is greatly optimized and at times outperforms constitutional AI baselines working on 58 principles in both ethical behavior and reasoning tasks. Behind these numbers, a deeper tension unfolds, where some principles strengthen each other and others collide. Holistic care, caring for all people in nature, and proximal benevolence, caring for those closest to us, move in harmony. But universal equality rights defending fairness clash with honesty first, defending truth at all costs. With C3AI, we do not begin with data, but with the values that shape our lives. And in doing so, we teach the machine not only to think, but to be good. To dive deeper, check out the paper, Crafting and Evaluating Constitutions for Constitutional AI.